Investing explained for teens, 4 buckets. The first step to investing is developing a mindset that is compatible with your money goal. To do this, you have to think about where you should allocate your money, and the rule of thumb is not to keep all your eggs in one basket. Instead, we designate it into different categories or buckets. Money to spend, money to save, donations, investments, spending. Basically, there are 2 types of expenses, fixed ones and variable ones. A fixed expense is one that can't change based on what happens later in the year. It might be rent or mortgage payments, or a car loan or lease. On the other hand, a variable expense could change. You might only shop at Costco when there's a sale, like buying groceries or clothing. Saving. The second bucket is saving. Savings are great because they collect money over time. However, unlike spending money, savings are intended to be put someplace where the savings can't grow right away, and this is what makes them different from investing your money. Donate. The third bucket is optional but recommended. It's a bucket you use your money to give back. Giving to charity goes a lot further than just making someone happy. It can also help save you some cash on taxes, too. Investing. Bucket number 4 is what we are discussing in this program, investing. Money put into this bucket is expected to grow over time. Investing can be risky, but that's why you need to make it work for you. A little money could lead to a big windfall, helping your future self even more than it helps your present self. Money goes to this bucket should be prioritized. Over the long term, this is the bucket which will help you to reach wealth. A rule of thumb is to put at least 10% of the money you make into your investment bucket. We have 4 buckets to work with: spend, save, donate, and invest. Imagine the money we put in these 4 buckets as water. The water in the spending and donation buckets will be less since we are using the water. Even the water in the savings bucket will evaporate over time, due to something called inflation, a term meaning that the same amount of money's buying power goes down over time. Bucket number 4, investing, is different. This is the bucket sitting under a rain gutter. When it rains, the bucket gets more water. When done right, these positive investments actually add in enough water to refill the other 3 buckets. Remember, prioritize filling your investment bucket with at least 10% of your income, and it will help you out by filling the other buckets.